In this session, we will check how we can use config.properties for a project. For that, let me create a very simple project and I'll explain why do we need to create this config.property. So let me start with creating a new project. We will call it as 107 underscore config properties. Click on finish. So let me create a very simple project with the HTTP listener, which will accept the request, and the transfer message component. Okay. So for this listener component, I have to add this connector configuration. Click on this plus sign. So my intention is to keep the values as default. So I'll click on OK. And the path I can give conf properties. Save this, and for transfer message, I'll give the response as JSON. Some message. Let me give the message colon within double quotes. I can give hi there. Okay, you can save this. So let us check why do we need a config.properties file. So in here there are certain values like the port, what is the host. See, these values are set within this property. So if I don't want that to happen and I want these values to be set from a different file, so for that I can use it. So let me create a config properties file. So this needs to be created within the resources folder. Click on new, then file. I can name the file as config.property. Click on finish. Once that is done, go to the project in the global element. So usually we will be playing around this message flow, this block. Let me switch it to the global element. Within here, I have to click on create and global configuration properties. So once we are going to set this global element properties, it will ask for a file. I can refer to the file which I just created. So here it is, so I can refer to it. Click on OK. Then what I need to do is, I need to tell to this component, you have to refer that particular file. In order to do that, you can click on edit. So I can remove this and put dollar within curly braces some name. I can give it here like http.host. Similarly, I can put a name for port as well. I'll put it as port, http.port. Okay, once that is done, in the configure properties, I have to tell http.port host is equal to localhost and port is equal to 8081. Okay, so once that is done, we are good to go. So basically what is happening is, for this particular component, I am setting the port and host from a different file. So I am telling host you have to refer to a config.properties file which has the key as this particular value, http.port, and port with this as a name. Okay, and in the config.properties I have to mention what is the value which needs to be provided. Okay, let me run this project and check how this is working. So this flow got deployed successfully. Let me trigger this flow. So the port is 8081, it is localhost, and we have given the path. Let me trigger this. Okay, so whatever the message I have set from transfer message come modern, it is coming here. Let me show you one more thing. So this message which we have set from transfer message component, if this value has to come from the configure properties, what we have to do is, there is a function for that, small p, then within curly braces and within double quotes, I can give the key which I'll set in the configure properties. So first set the key value pair in configure properties. I'll give it as my message. I'll give this as a okay. Once that is done, whatever key I have given here, this particular value, I have to provide it within this. So I can save this. Let me stop this project and deploy this again. Okay, the flow got deployed. Let me trigger this. Same URL I have to use. So let me send it. Okay. So here you can see this particular value has come from the configure properties file. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Please let me know any suggestion about the session in the comments. And if you would like me to include any topic in Mule 4, please let me know in comments. Thank you.